please come back to my feet. Like, there's a thunderstorm. Do you see? Do you see this? It's pouring down. It is pouring rain. Do you see this? You guys? Do you guys want to be in my video? Nothing. I'm recording the thunderstorm. You want to come over here? I'm allowed to. Oh, never mind. What? I forgot I said now. Okay. Hi, Uncle. Thunderstorm. I'm recording it. It's crazy. It's not going to rain. Jesus, I'm allowed to. Okay, I'm just going to watch and record. I'm a news breaker. I'm recording the rain. It is pouring down. Oh, where are you about to go? Oh, of course you're not going to go anywhere. It's a thunderstorm out here. Hi. Looks nice. Okay, you guys, he's a little emo. He's emo. You better run. You better run. Yo, he just ran to his car. Okay, it's pouring down. Girl, I'm in the rain right now. Are you serious? Get out the rain. Okay, let's get out the rain. Yo, guys. Huh? Okay, I don't care. You guys can get electrocuted, you know? Sorry, guys. I was just putting my face. I'm going into the rain with my iPad. My iPad is getting wet. So... Okay, you know what? I'm going back. Look at this! You guys. Look. My iPad. Are you guys allowed to come over here? Mila. Oh, okay. My friends are saying my friends are scared to drink water. Apparently, I keep going in the rain and I keep getting out because I'm scared. Where's my speech? I just saw thunder. I'm gonna sit here and try to record the whole thunderstorm. Yeah, I'm definitely not going out in these. I was planning on going to Walmart to get some dumplings and needles. And like some butter squishies and stuff. But you see this rain? What was that? Lightning will come down and struck me. Lightning struck down if I lied all over. Oh! I didn't get to finish my sentence! I was about to say lightning struck down if I lie over 5 times, but I struck. Lightning strike down if I lied over 5 times. Okay, now I guess I didn't lie over 5 times because there's no lightning. Can you just take a moment? See? It's pouring down rain. Do you see the rain? Like, why? Why? Can you not see this? Look, you guys. Do you see that freaking puddle? Like it's work. Okay, I'm giving the right spirit. I'm just talking. I'm scared. Do you guys see that? Do you see that? Do you see that? It's pouring the freak down. Okay, do you not hear that? Look up the freaking sky. Like, there's a thunderstorm. You guys probably don't believe me. There's a thunderstorm, guys. Look at the payment over there. Just look at it. Like, it's so... It's what? What do you want? I'm going to get it. Oh my God. Okay, welcome back. So, I don't know what to do. I'm just here to be alive. I can do the recorder. If you nice get ready. But, yes. I hope you guys can hear this. I'm not lying. There's not no, like, guys, please just believe me. I would never lie to you guys. I was gonna go here. I'm gonna record this. Did someone just call my name? Who just called my name? Somebody just called my name. I don't know who that was. Amila? Amila? What do you do? Would you dance in the rain for $20?
Yes.
Let me go see if I have $20. Let's go see. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go see if I have $20. I'll actually bring in my iPad with me. I don't trust anybody. Somebody can just steal my iPad. Because it's I'm recording, so I'm about to go see if I have $20. Hi, Jace. You want to see the rain? Here. Come here. What? What's that? Water. Do you want to see the water? Yeah. Huh? See what? Jace wants to get on the porch.
Did you hear what I said?
What?
Stop playing with my little fan thing. It's not a toy for you.
Okay.
It's mine. Stop playing with it.
I'm Jace
Stop
right
putting
here.
your nails out my room.
Okay. Oh. Can Jace see outside?
No.
Okay, Jace, you gotta go back inside.
You need to stay in here with me while I'm in here.
Alright, Jace. Okay. Sorry about that yelling. I didn't have any $20. Sorry. I'm recording your face. Okay. But, huh? I didn't hear you. Whatever. I'm just gonna record. Guys, I'm breaking up. Rain. What? Guys, stop. Can you guys hear me? This is breaking up.